The early solar system, a swirling mass of gas and dust, was a chaotic arena where creation thrived in the darkness. From this tumultuous environment, a massive explosion gave birth to the sun, igniting the spark needed for the formation of the solar system's building blocks. Can you imagine the raw power unleashed, setting the stage for everything we know today? As the celestial bodies began colliding, their powerful impact sculpted not only the planets but also the identity of Earth and its cosmic companions. Each collision contributed vital materials, slowly shaping the surfaces we now recognize. What if we could witness those monumental moments, where worlds were born from chaos? Gravity, a silent sculptor of the universe, played an essential role in gathering gas and dust, weaving together the very fabric of our planet. This invisible hand crafted Earth's atmosphere, setting the stage for life to unfurl. Have you ever pondered how such a simple force could nurture the complexity of life we see today? Picture the early Earth, an expansive ocean enveloped in extreme temperatures. This intense heat began to cool, allowing heavier elements to settle, shaping our world from within. What wonders could exist in such a hostile setting, waiting to be discovered as time weaved its tapestry? Meteorite bombardments rained down on the Earth, each impact a messenger delivering essential minerals and water. These gifts were crucial, creating the very conditions for life to emerge. Can you feel the excitement of those early days when our planet was becoming a cradle for life? Around 300 million years ago, a transformation took place. The atmosphere stabilized, and volcanic activity waned, creating a nurturing environment where simple life forms could begin to thrive. What delicate balance allowed this evolution, allowing life to sprout from the depths of the oceans? In those ancient seas, microorganisms became the unsung heroes, tirelessly working to increase oxygen levels in the atmosphere. Their efforts set the stage for a grand flourish of diverse life forms. What profound impact did these tiny beings have on the future of our planet's biosphere? However, the dance of life was not without its challenges. Tectonic activities increased carbon dioxide levels, leading to acid rain and a cooling Earth. Dramatic climatic changes began to sweep across the planet. How would life respond to this profound shift in its environment? As ice enveloped the Earth, its reflective surface sent the planet into a deep freeze. This chilling transformation impacted the evolution of early life forms drastically. Can you envision the struggle for survival amidst such frigid conditions, where resilience would be tested? Amidst this frozen landscape, volcanic eruptions continued to shape the atmosphere, creating a cycle of heating and cooling. This volatility influenced marine life and vegetation alike, crafting conditions for adaptation. What stories might the remnants of these ancient ecosystems tell us today? Yet, as the environment shifted, some marine species and underwater forests faced extinction, while others demonstrated incredible resilience, adapting to the changing climate. What does this teach us about the power of survival and the relentless march of evolution? Then, around 470 million years ago, the rise of plants like moss began to transform our planet. This remarkable development paved the way for diverse land flora and the transition of marine animals to life on land. Can you feel the momentum of life pushing forward, seeking new horizons? In a remarkable turn of events, the breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea ignited ecological shifts, allowing a rich diversity of species to flourish in these newly formed environments. This dramatic transformation marked a rise in biodiversity, but what challenges awaited them in this brave new world? The colliding landmasses, particularly India with Africa, reshaped not just landscapes but ecosystems, giving birth to the formidable Himalayan mountain range. What seismic forces were at play, sculpting the very ground beneath our feet and influencing the life that thrives there? Around 66 million years ago, a cataclysmic asteroid impact shattered the balance, bringing forth catastrophic changes that led to the extinction of many species. The energy released was staggering, equating to the force of 10 billion atomic bombs. What could survive in the wake of such destruction? In the aftermath of this devastation, the melting ice began to unveil new life forms, including the early ancestors of modern humans. This period highlights the remarkable adaptability of species to their ever-changing surroundings. What paths would these early beings take as they navigated their world? As the planet warmed, early primates began to adapt their behaviors for survival. The shift to bipedalism marked a significant evolutionary milestone, emphasizing the close relationship between environmental changes and species development. How would these transformations shape the future of humanity? Yet, with all these transformations, humanity now stands at a crossroads. Our actions have significantly altered the Earth, leading to pollution and increased carbon dioxide levels. The question looms: what will we choose to do? This highlights the urgent need for sustainable practices to protect our precious planet. How will our legacy be shaped by the choices we make today?